got another package? Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back everybody to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Mike's Militaria. Feel free to check out that website at mikesmilitaria.com. Always a variety of items coming into stock. Get them while you can. So let's get right to it. Get you out of the way. Thank you. And last shipment. So we got one main item and there should be one additional item. So it's why the box is this size. Went ahead and started with untaping. Okay, have to complete it. There we go. Alright. Look at this. Mike's Militaria. Another sticker for the collection. The chevron, stars, etc. Okie doke. What do we have here? Oh, that's unexpected. Okay, look at this. This is one of the Mike B merch items, the Cairo patch, Velcro backed. You can see the detail on the different types of material used. Looks like 1, 2, 3. So you can look up the historical aspects of Cairo. I believe the spelling is C-H-I-R-H-O. Set that aside for now. Get the box a little bit out of the way. And get to the main item and then the unexpected third item. So this is listed as the East German M56/76 steel helmet, unissued, and I believe this is the type 2, meaning medium large. So M56/76 kind of outlines your model numbers, and this being new unissued, it looks like it's still in the original paper. Carefully open it. Well, it's already got the details. Just that. Nothing else hidden in here, so we'll go ahead and press this down and fold it. And we'll find a bag for this to stick it in. Sturdy. Put it in the box now. Bam. Okay. So I'm taking a look at it. Very new finish. Get this little speck of material out of the way. Yeah. It's just a little slight scuff mark. Has character. You can see the shape of the helmet. Quite distinctive. Got a brim all the way around edge, and then the dip down over the ear area, and then goes around to the back of the neck and back of the head area. Looks like we got a bit of foam padding, symmetrical. See the bucket hole attachments, the harness, chin strap, all new unissued leather, and the rivets, ring points, hole punching, buckles, multiple rings or D rings, and you can see the support here with its arms that are attached to the liner lobes, and that has a main string going around, looping through all of them through the centers, and you can see right there, the circular marks where the liners actually has attachment points with the material there. Very nice. So again, M56 76 East German steel helmet. I guess category 2, size 2, medium large. Put it real quick. Ah, fits. Nice. And I guess this has some adjustability with the string. So, just a quick video there, and then we had our bonus item, which looks like a helmet net of some sort. And then there's also this point right there. And then it's bound with this paper. Neat. Whether or not it'll stretch all the way, I have no idea. It is catching up on, so there are a lot of hook points on this. Trying not to damage it. And alright. Yeah, it's hooked all over to itself. Come on. Trying to gain back every little bit of space we can here. Again, hooked to itself here. Maybe this way? Or is it this way? Okay. Keep going. I think we've made it all the way around. Yeah, I don't think this is meant for this one. We can try it on something else though. Neat little add-on item. I don't know, it might stretch eventually. It would take some encouragement though, and I don't want to try risk tearing it. Oh wait, there's another one. I could be a little bit more slack. I don't think enough to cover the whole thing. But it keeps binding to itself. I can see. Okay. There. That bound to itself again there. Alright, at this point we just... Nope, there's just no way. It's meant for a smaller type of helmet device. Very neat though. Bonus item. So again, from Militaria.com, feel free to check it out. This was the M56 76 helmet, Cairo patch, and a little bonus item there. Thank you, Mike. It's been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do more specific show and tell items and videos on curios for the curious, more artsy type objects, as well as book review, media reviews on a select number of discussable topics that are not restricted by trademark, copyright statements. So, feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.